Today we are going to design an ONLAY in Exocad. Begin by starting a new project and select the crown you want to do. For this case we're going to select Inlay ONLAY and we're going to select wax as a material. Press OK. Select the antagonist and scan mode is 2 modules in Occlusion. Save the project and start designing. Make sure that the scan is in the right orientation. It should look like this and not red like this. So if it is correct, if it's not correct, place it in the right position and then go next. Here you need to select the margin, so select some points in the margin to help the software discover the margin. And then adjust it. Sometimes the margin is not exactly where it should be, and with this you can place it in the right position. Once you are happy with it, go next. And at this stage you need to define the path of insertion. It should look more or less like this, so gray inside, and you should see the margin all around and complete. You shouldn't see red stuff, red spots or orange spots, or parts of the margin missing behind the ridges. So if everything is looking nice like this, use set current view as insertion axis, and you can tell that the arrow changed positions. So go next. Cement gap, we leave it as it is. You can change it, and we're gonna stick with this. Go next. Select the best anatomy for this case. Position the crown in the best position possible. So in the design stage we do the least amount of adjustments. So something like this. Always make sure that the ridges are at the same level. The software is going to adapt the crown to the margins like this. Now we need just to do small adjustments because the crown got a bit distorted. Like this. I like to add first, then use the smooth tool, smooth all around the margin, and then check the contact points, proximal contact points. You can come here and select adjacent to see where it's touching. So the contacts are too small, so I like to make them bigger area. Add a bit there, add a bit there, and now we select the adapt tool on the proximal to cut intersections. Usually I like to go -0.01, cut intersections, and now we do the same with the occlusion. So cut intersections there. Check if the occlusion is looking good, and now you can just do some minor adjustments. Smooth a bit the hard transitions here. Make sure that the ridge is at the same level here. There. You can actually come here with this. Yes, like this. Smooth tool there. Check again the contacts on the proximal, do the same thing, like this. Adapt, proximal, cut intersections. And now if you want, you can refine a bit the occlusion. Make the fissures a bit deeper, so I go full strength, minimal brush size, and then just pass on the grooves like this. Smooth a bit. And now you can even correct the proportions of the cusp if it's not correct, like this. Adapt, occlusion, cut intersections, smooth a bit again. And there you have it. A nice ONLAY designed in Exocad in less than 10 minutes.